Mr. Lindsay to the number one motivator Southside of the Equator. Now, gents, today's message goes out to you. So if you don't like me after this, that's also fine. It's not a beauty contest. It's not for you to like me. It's for you to respect me. I battle with this question. Gents, where do you get the liver to meet a young lady yesterday and today already you are booking her flights to Cape Town, flights to Dubai, yet the mother that raised you, the mother that put you through school, that cooked for you, that fed you, doesn't know what it's like to sit in an aeroplane, and you busy sending other aunties' children around the world. The same with your kids. You are able to save the whole month to buy a 10-year-old whiskey, but your 10-year-old child doesn't know what it's like to get a stock sweet or an ice cream from daddy, and daddy's busy gallivanting. I'm not telling you how to spend your money, but the decisions that you make have an impact on the work that we do. We need to now correct and mentor your kids so that they don't make the mistakes that you make. Guys, stop suffering from priority dementia. If the word doesn't exist, now it does. What I'm basically trying to say to you is get your priorities straight. You can't be fixing the neighbor's house when the roof is leaking there by your house. Mr. Lindsay.